Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix invite Instagram collaborator option not showing. So to do this, there are actually three types of fixes that you can do in order to show this button. So to do that, let's head over to Instagram, and on your profile you just need to turn your account into a business account. So that is the first fix. So to do that, you just need to click these three lines up here, click on settings, and you can see here the account option. Click on that, and you just need to scroll down until you can see this switch to professional account. So click that, click continue, click on artist or whatever you want to turn this into. And then after that, you just need to click this business instead of creator. Click business and click next. And then you just need to put here your contact info. Click on next. And then you can connect your Facebook page to your business account. So let's connect this Facebook page. And then you have already successfully set up your business account. So exit. So in order for this Instagram collaborator option to show, you just need to wait for 48 hours before it takes effect. So the second fix is turning your accounts public. So to do that, you just need to click these three lines up here again. Click on settings, click on privacy, and you will see here the toggle button for private account. Make sure that this is off so your account will stay public. So the third fix is turning your Instagram into everyone can tag you on posts. So to do that, just go over again to privacy, and you can see here the post option. Click on that, and you can see this who can tag you, and make sure that it is set to everyone so everyone can tag you and you can be a collaborator or you can make them collaborator. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.